RJ. Wala pa sa akin?
Wala. Did you have fun at your first class?
Yes.
You did not get scared? Na ganyan ba kayo?
No.
O pala eh. Can you show me the steps later?
Yeah, in the house.
Siya, wala akong nakong charger.
Sarili mo video.
How? Hi guys. So
Sarili mo video.
I was so excited. Now it's my first class there. I ballet and yeah.
What?
Dapat tumawa ka, hindi. Ginawa. Bakit?
Yung una nga niyang ano, hihi.
Okay lang, hindi.
Pas,
Ginawa.
Parang tayo ako pag nagulong ako.
Hello everyone, it's February
And today we're going to
18. So, kaninang umaga, first day ng ballet classes ni Luna. Diba?
Yes, ang sakit-sakit nung sa head
What?
ko. My head is hurting because of the ballet.
Bakit naman ma-hurt yung head mo?
Because diba kunyari ito lang head ko, di ko malagyan sa feet ko.
Did you do that? Sabi ni teacher?
Yeah,
Gawin
I
niyo
have
daw.
to do that. The girl with the blue clothes,
Cold.
she can do it. She can put her feet on her head. So I being it.
If you practice, then you will be able to do that soon. Anyway, we're gonna go to BGC. Magpapagod lang si Luna. Kami. Bili ako ng milk tea.
Guys, I'm going to break this. I break it.
See you later.
Wait.
Dali mauubos na yung memory. Later
Guys,
on.
how did it made? Because look, there's some air but it's going out. How?
Oh, bye-bye daw.
Okay.
Hindi mo muna yung ulo ko kung meron.
Ayan.
Hi. So today I will roller skates at BGC. And with my mommy and daddy, and we're going to roller skate in the fifth floor.
Ha? Wait, I'll use my other things.
Mommy, my nag-roller skate. White, pero pa straight.
Straight din naman sa'yo ah.